Oh, there's a wreck. I'm going to report that.
WX5 ASA, W5 IRH. Just went through that water and spun out.
Oh, jeez. There's water over the road, probably.
WX5 ASA, W5 IRH.
They just went out too.
W5 IRH, go ahead.
We have a big situation at my current location, and I'm at a beacon right now. There's a foot of water on the road, and cars are coming into it at 70 miles an hour. And there's a car in the ditch. A car in the ditch.
It's flowing out. Look at it, flowing out.
Location, please.
I honestly don't know. Stand by. I'll try to look at my GPS. I'll beacon a fresh beacon, but I have no idea. It's 4 or 5 miles probably north of
Hang on, dude.
9 Mile Hill.
Right here, brother.